This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brenda Lavin. Immaculate 3/2/2 CBS home has been meticulously maintained. Open floor plan features a large eat-in kitchen with breakfast bar overlooking the great room. Master suite has his and her closets and access to the screened patio. Master bath has dual sinks, separate tub and shower. Huge screened lanai/Florida room. Complete accordion shutters for hurricane protection. Partially fenced yard. Located in the desirable Lake Lucie Estates, a sought-after community with ultra-low HOA fees, $266/year, which includes pool and a gazebo-type clubhouse. Just minutes to the beaches, shopping and dining. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Lavin at 772-530-9515.